Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing this translucent black and vinyl mat. First and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could give you my full and honest review. So if you've got kids, pets, or high traffic areas in your home, this floor mat might be just what you're looking for. I picked up the 4x6 translucent black vinyl mat, and here's why I loved it. First, it protects your floors like a champ. With its anti-scratch surface and thick, durable design, it keeps hardwood floors, tile, and laminate safe from chairs, spills, and heavy foot traffic. It's also waterproof and super easy to clean. No more dealing with rugs that trap dust and absorb everything. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth and you're done. Zero hassle. It's made from BPA-free odorless PVC, which makes it 100% safe for kids and pets. Whether it's used in a dining space, playroom, or home office, you don't have to worry. And I do have to say, the sleek translucent black look actually adds a modern touch. It blends in perfectly with any space without drawing attention. Whether you use it under a dining table, in the kitchen, or even a creative studio, it just works. Non-slip, durable, and stylish, it's a solid upgrade to any room. Overall, if you've been looking for a 4x6 translucent vinyl mat, then definitely check this one out. It's available in a variety of sizes.